Welcome to Daily English Practice for You.
Do you want to speak English fluently, but feel you don't have time? What if I tell you that just 30 minutes of daily practice can completely transform your English in only 3 months? Yes, it's possible. In today's video, I'll share powerful tips and tricks that will show you exactly how to use 30 minutes wisely so that you can speak English with confidence before this year ends. Think about it. In 3 months, there are around 90 days. If you practice 30 minutes daily, that's 45 hours of English practice. Imagine what 45 hours can do if you use them smartly. The problem is not time. The problem is how we use our time. Today, I'll give you a step-by-step plan that will change the way you learn English. The secret is dividing your 30 minutes into 3 simple parts. 10 minutes, listening 10 minutes, speaking 10 minutes, reading and writing, listening 10 minutes, watch YouTube videos, English podcasts, or English news. Use subtitles if needed. Focus on repeating the same sentence aloud. Example, watch a 2-minute video, pause, repeat like an actor. Speaking, 10 minutes, talk to yourself in English. Mirror practice works. Record a 1-minute voice note daily. Use WhatsApp voice notes or apps like Hello Talk to practice with others. Don't worry about grammar. Focus on confidence and fluency. Reading and writing. 10 minutes. Read short articles from News in Levels or BBC Learning English. Write 3 to 5 sentences daily, like a mini diary. Example, today I woke up early. I practiced English. I feel confident. This 30-minute routine works like magic because you touch all 4 skills every single day. Here's how your 3 months will look. Month 1. Foundation. Focus on listening and repeating daily. Learn 5 new words every day and use them in your sentences. Change your phone language to English. Month 2. Practice. Start speaking more, even if alone. Watch movies/series in English with subtitles. Write short paragraphs daily. Use free apps like Duolingo, BBC Learning English, or Hello English. Month 3. Confidence speak for at least 5 minutes daily. Record yourself. Try to think in English. Replace mother tongue thoughts with English. Practice small conversations with friends, family, or online partners. Review all words and sentences you learned in the last 2 months. After 90 days, your fluency, vocabulary, and confidence will surprise you. Make English your environment. Change your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram feed to English. Write your shopping list in English. Even talk to Alexa or Google Assistant in English. The more you surround yourself with English, the faster your brain accepts it as natural. Most learners fail because they are scared of mistakes. Remember, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Speak anyway. Practice anyway. Confidence grows only when you accept mistakes. So friends, remember this. Just 30 minutes a day for 3 months can change your English forever. Listen, speak, read, write. Divide your time, follow the 3-month plan, and stay consistent. By the end of this year, you will be speaking English with confidence. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Your 30 minutes today can create a fluent you tomorrow. Start now. Add graphics showing month 1, month 2, month 3. Use on-screen timer animations for 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes reading. Insert motivational lines as text. Fluency equals daily practice. 30 minutes equals big change.